Hi, Maddie. I'm behind here. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. Whee! Not laughing like she did the other time. Let's stack them all up. Oh. Oh. He's in the bathtub. Whoa. Did you put her in the bath? You put her in the bathtub. Oh, look at this big dinosaur. Oh, no. Oh!
Hey, Maddie. Maddie.
He's still up there. He's still up there. Oh!
Maddie. Will you say Bobby?
Bobby.
Where is Bobby?
Bobby. 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 Bobby.
What about Mama?
Mama.
Where's Mama?
Oh. Hi, Clifford. Hi, Maddie. Hi, Maddie. What you doing? What you doing? Where's my bottle? I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Feed the baby.
I'm thirsty. Give me my bottle. I want my bottle. I want my bottle. Hurry.
She can't get it in the baby's mouth if the baby's moving. Maddie, that's for the baby. It's for the baby.
Wah, wah. The baby's crying. Wah.
Is there any milk in there?
Push your hair out of your face. Go like this. Be like Donald Trump. You need a comb over.
It's a haircut.
Now you look like Donald Trump. Sort of.
I don't know, who's that more insulting, Donald Trump or Maddie?
It's insulting Maddie if you look like Donald Trump.
Cool, good looking. Am I anybody enough? Cons.
Wave at Clifford.
I can spend all day on a project and you will finish the same project in a half an hour. I choose Michael.
Say hi, Clifford.
I'm not playing. Okay, Tim. Dwight is an obvious candidate for my job. He has
Clifford a doggy?
Oh. He loves to work.
Uh-oh.
We're going to
He ate it when you put it here.
Gryffindor. Really? That's good. I love that guy, Jim. I know. Okay.
Daddy.
Roll one. Feel myself in there. Do that. Voldemort.
You want him up?
Voldemort. Voldemort.
Please.
Voldemort. Voldemort. Okay, Stanley, your teammate. I don't care what you're talking about. Then I will name your team the Red Team. No. I was considering Stanley because of all the good that black people have done for America. We will be Team USA. Very good. Nancy, take it up and Andy, take it up.
Country. You like country?
He don't like the country.
Hit your head. Where's the other button?
You thirsty? Maddie, why don't you dance to the hip hop? You gonna dance? Dance. Cheese. Hi, cheese.
Yeah, she figured that out.
Maddie, why don't you go dance?
You might have to put it on a different button to do that, the singing button.
Hello?
She figured that out by herself.
Nice song, Maddie. Dance.
There she goes.
Dance. Dance. Dance.
Dance. Press the button.
Yeah.
Hey, Maddie. You look at mommy? What are you doing? You're silly.
Use the microphone to sing along. Round and round the collar goes the monkey takes the weasel. The monkey talks with all his fun. Up goes the weasel. Yay! Press the button. Sing with me. Round and round the collar goes the monkey takes the weasel. The monkey talks with all his fun. Up goes the weasel.
Hey, Maddie, who's that next to you? Is that Bobby? Bobby?
Oh.
Who else is that? Clifford? Doggy?
Kippy.
Does he say woof?
Kippy.
Yeah.
Kippy.
Use the microphone to sing along.
Give Uncle Bobby a kiss. Uncle Bobby a kiss.
Aww.
Ooh. That looks messy.
That's Maddie's drawer, isn't it?
She always wears beads on.
Yeah, so she can get him.
Yep.